your head. Keep your leg on the floor and heels towards your seat. If you can't reach
Hay
the
nó không
seat in
cà
front
phê
of you,
ơi.
lower your head
Nhưng
and
mà ta
move
tận thầu
forward
nó.
as far as you can. Place your hands on top of your head. In an emergency evacuation, floor level lighting will lead you to your nearest exit. Before using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vest, remove it from the plastic cover, slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs of blowing into the mouth. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract detection. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest when you get the exit door and step into the rock. Life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. Lightweight electronic devices, such as mobile phones and tablets, must be switched on or set to flight mode. During these times, charging your electronic devices is also not allowed. If you're not using the device, it must be held in your hand or placed in the seat pocket in front of you. If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from adjusting the seat and ask the cabin crew for assistance. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the charging and use of e-cigarettes, is prohibited throughout the aircraft, including the lavatory. Thank you for your attention. Press the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you for more information. On behalf of